and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am bringing you guys the Walmart Ibotta haul. I was excited to go to the store to show you guys some deals. I ended up getting some stuff that I haven't gotten before just to show you guys some good deals. I'm hoping that August is going to be a good month. I was just too shy of getting to finishing level 2, so that's okay. I'll probably get it between CVS or Walgreens hopefully this coming weekend. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, if you guys are not sure what I do, every single week I go to Walmart and I show you guys deals that you guys can do with your Ibotta apps and other apps. I push Ibotta because a lot of you guys love doing these. A lot of you guys are hitting levels that you never hit before, so I love to share with you guys on deals that you guys can do. A lot of you guys tell me how much you just love these kind of videos, and I love sharing things with you guys and helping everybody out. But if you guys haven't already, you guys can join my Ibotta team. Now, there's 2 ways to join my Ibotta team. If you do not have Ibotta, you guys can click my referral link below. Once you guys submit your first receipt, I think you guys will end up getting a $10 bonus, and you guys can actually redeem your first gift card at $10. So usually what I do is I'll go to Walmart, and right before I'm at the store, I redeem a gift card at Walmart, so I don't really pay anything, and I just keep rolling my gift cards. They send you electronic e-gift card, and I just screenshot the barcode, so then just have the cashier scan it. If you guys already have Ibotta and you want to be on my team, I would highly even just recommend being on my team. You guys would just Facebook request me. I have the link below. Now, some of you guys, I have 2 separate Facebook pages. I have my personal one and I have my Ibotta one. My Ibotta one, my cover photo says Ibotta. I've had a couple of you guys actually friend request me on my normal one. I will deny you if you do that. I just want everybody to be on my team on that one. My Ibotta is not connected to my personal Facebook page. So just friend request me. It's not just for being friends with me, you guys. I share a lot of videos. Some of you guys don't get notified when I post videos. Some of you guys, I just like to do little silly things like, you know, what's your favorite celebrity? And I ask questions and I give you guys a heads up. And one thing I do want to mention, for those who have ordered the Coupon Addict t-shirts, please, please, please send me your guys' t-shirt pictures of you guys and your t-shirts. You guys can send them to me either way. I got a little bit, but I know a lot of you guys ordered shirts, so please send me a picture, and I'm going to do a montage video of everybody with their shirts on. You guys have until the last day of August, so August 31st is the last day to send me those photos. But please, please, please send me your guys' photos. I'm saving them. We're going to do a little montage with our Coupon Addict t-shirts. So just giving you guys a heads up, but enough with this mumbo jumbo. Let's just dig in so I can show you guys my haul. So I ended up getting the Crunch Master crackers. Now, these coupons just popped up, I think this morning or last night for the Crunch Master crackers. These were $2.78. You guys use that $1 off coupon that we got on coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.78 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 78 cents. So not the greatest deal, but if you guys are really into crackers, these are crackers that I actually want my son to eat. So I'm hoping he might take a bite of those. I ended up getting the cremette noodles. Now, these were 98 cents a piece. You guys would pay $1.98, whatever, $1.98 or $1.96 for both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1 off a 2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 98 cents or just 49 cents a piece. So if you guys are really into, you know, making pastas, and now it's the fall's coming up, it's a great time to learn to make some pasta. I really want to start making pasta, and I want to learn to make more pasta in the crock pot. So I'm giving you guys, you know, heads up on that. I did the Sally Hansen the deal again. Now, these were $2.46. You guys use that $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $1.46 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making, or $2 rebate on Ibotta, $2, making this a 54-cent moneymaker. So this becomes absolutely free, and this is something I seriously need to start using for my nails. No chipping, splitting, or cracking. I just need to start using that. Just buckle up and do it. Oh. I ended up getting the Talenti ice cream. Now, last week my receipt got denied. Some of you guys say that your checkout 51 receipt gets denied all the time. I usually buy it when I buy a bunch of stuff. So even though it says you can't use a coupon, I still do it and I submit it, and either they're going to deny it or they're not. This time I didn't get denied. Last time I did. I know it's weird, but these were $3.98. I used $1.50 off coupon that was on coupons.com. I'm not sure if it's still available anymore, but you guys would pay $2.48 for this. You guys submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta and a $1.25 rebate on checkout 51. It comes out to be a 27-cent moneymaker. Now this time I actually did get approved for that coupon, or for that rebate on Walmart. So, or checkout 51. I'm sorry, I can't speak today. I ended up getting the wet ones. We had to get Shrek because we watched Shrek in the house. So these were $1.98 each. Now a while back ago there was some 75-cent off coupons from coupons.com. I used 2 of those. You paid $2.46 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just $1.46 or 73 cents. And I like these because these can fit in the cup holders in your car and you just can wipe stuff off. My kid is a pig when it comes to wiping things off. It's like he's always spilling stuff. I ended up getting the Tic Tacs. These deals are going strong, but they're not as great of a deal, but that's okay. I'm giving away these for Halloween. These were $1.14 a piece. I used those 50-cent off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay 64 cents for this, but then you guys will get a 25-cent rebate, and there are 3 different rebates on Ibotta, making it just 39 cents a piece. So 39 cents for a pack of gum is a pretty okay deal, so I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up look at how bad these packages are, you guys. I grabbed the best ones I could. Like, why put these on the shelf? I'm sorry, these are ridiculous. So I ended up, one's wet. Oh, it's from the ice cream. These were $2.98. I used those $1 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $3.96 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $2 off a 2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.46 or 73 cents. And I have a friend who really enjoys using those, so I got those for her. This is ridiculous. Like, this thing is just all smashed. It doesn't even shut. Yeah. I ended up getting the Carefree pads. Now these are, or Carefree, Stay Free, so many free names. These were $2.86. I used that 2 off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $3.72 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, and there is a $1 rebate on checkout 51. So I got these for $1.22 or just 61 cents a piece. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Sorry, all my feminine products go way over there. I ended up doing, yeah, I don't know what happened. I had the shampoo and the conditioner. I might have left it upstairs. It might have fallen out of the bag. But I ended up getting the shampoo and conditioner of the L'Oreal Olive. Now, these were $3.97. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon. Now, you guys can also do this deal with a 1 off of 1 coupon, but it comes out to be the same price, and you guys have a matching mate if you guys do the 4 off of 2. You guys would pay $3.94 if you guys did the 4 off of 2. You guys would end up paying $2.97 if you guys did the 1 off coupon. Then you guys can submit only one $2 off rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for 2 of them just $1.94 or 97 cents. So it's the same price if you buy 2 of them. It's the same price if you guys buy 1 of them. It's just up to you guys what you guys want to do. And I wish I knew what the other one went, but that's okay. I ended up getting this Dove men's body wash. Now, this isn't the great deal, but I wanted to share with you guys some deals that you guys may want to do. I try to show you guys as many deals as possible. I may or may not use this stuff, but I try to show you guys as much as I can because everybody is different. You know, I have a couple thousand people that watch these videos and everybody gets different things. So this was $5.94. I used that $2 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $3.94 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, and you guys can submit for Fetch Rewards. I haven't submitted my receipt yet, but you guys would just get this for $2.74. So not the greatest, but I still wanted to share with you guys with that deal. But yes, that was my haul. One thing I do want to mention, I am doing a Walmart $5 challenge. I will be posting that video either later tonight or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow, so you guys will definitely want to check out the $5 Walmart challenge. Why? Because I'm here to share with you guys a bunch of stuff. So, my total came to $29.77. I ended up getting $16.25 back with Ibotta. I finished level 1, so that was only a 50-cent rebate. I know, lame 50-cent rebate, but I am 2 away from level 2. I ended up getting $2.25 back with checkout 51. So my total came to $10.77. I got 17 items. That just comes out to be 63 cents a piece, which I was pretty excited for. I usually try to get as much stuff as I can for 10 bucks. I think 10 bucks for all that stuff I get is a very good price. But if you guys enjoyed these videos, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more random crazy hauls, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.